Our transatlantic guests from the commemorative Air Force, the Douglas R4D 6S, ready for duty. And following that, the Supermarine Spitfire this aircraft actually wore for Royal Indian Air Force. Also, we able to bring loads of firepower to bear on the target. Currently providing overhead cover for the R4D as it sets up for another run. Gunship versions of the C-47 of the US Army Air Force, and they fly low orbits like the one the R4D performs now, bringing their weaponry to bear on the target. That's our fauna portrayed by the R4Ds. Mission complete.
Take your head, sir. I don't need your arm.
Those are pretty well dug in. We're going to turn round for another pass. It's glorious. There's the stranger going ahead again. By the spotter aircraft we saw earlier. Giving it another go on the target. Well, in fact, deciding not to put weapons on that pass, so a show of force in a final roll. The pilot having reported. The road towards Stansted, and the other one is the aircraft owned by Tom Harris, and they're followed in by the ex-French Air Force, or French Army I should say, L-19E Bird Dog, owned by BC Arrow Limited. But now the final aircraft in this sequence comes in for a bit of a solo. The craft reforms the very widespread service of the R4D with the US Navy and the Marine Corps. The US Navy knew how good the Douglas range of twin-engine transports was because it had flown the earlier DC-2 as the R2D. It ordered its first DC-3 derivatives in 1940 and gave them this designation of R4D. The first of them arrived in service in early 1942. They were used in different versions as cargo.
This year's Royal demonstration is brought to you jointly by RAF Odeon, the home of the Chinook Force, and the helicopter joint support squadron from RAF Benson, a joint Army and Air Force unit known as JM.